What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Apeman C450 dash cam. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid $29.99, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, we'll have a quick look around the box before we open it. So on the front of it, it just says it's 1080p full HD. It's got a 3-inch LCD screen on the back of it. And the rest of the information is on the back here. So key features, again, it says it's 1080p full HD. It's got a 170-degree wide angle lens. It's got 6 glass lenses. It's got a 3-inch LCD screen. And it's got WDR, which automatically creates a balanced image and footage. It's got a G sensor, which senses sudden movement and freezes the image. It's got motion detection, which automatically starts recording when motion is detected. So right guys, we'll open the box up and have a look. So the first thing we've got is the greeting card. So on here it's just thanking you for buying their product. Tells you that you get a 1 year's warranty with it, and it gives you details for Apeman customer support just in case if you have any issues or problems to get in touch with them directly. Next we've got the user manual. After that we've got the camera itself. So this is what the camera looks like. Let you just have a quick look at it. So right, what can I tell you about it? So it's made out of plastic and it feels like it's really well built. It's pretty lightweight, but other than that it feels okay. It's pretty small. So right on the top of it here we've got the data transfer port and the power port for it. Next to that we've got the mounting connection. So on this side we've got the OK button, we've got the mode button, then after that we've got the lock button. Then underneath there we've got the on and off switch. Then on the other side we've got the up key, we've got the menu button, then we've got the down key, and then we've got the micro SD slot, which takes up to a maximum of 32GB class 10 micro SD card. So on the bottom of it here we've got the factory reset button and we've got the microphone there. So on the front of it we've got the speaker there, and the lens itself, like I said, it's 170 degrees wide angle lens and it records at 1080p. So on the back of it we've got the 3-inch LCD screen, which is not a touch screen. So right, we'll see what else we get in the box. So we've got the charging lead or data transfer lead. Next we've got the car charger. So that's a really long wire on there, so you can hide the wire away once you've connected the dash cam. And this connects up to your cigarette lighter. And they give you an extra USB port on there, so you can charge your phone up at the same time. So that's a good feature. Next we've got the suction cup. So that's a pretty small discreet suction cup, and there's a connection for the top of it. Like I said, it just connects onto there. You just put it on and slide it across. If you want to take it back off, you just slide it back across that way. Next we've got another mount here, and this is for a fixed mount. So they've got the 3M sticky tape on there, and then there's the connection. And same again, the camera will just fit onto there like that and lock into place. Next we've got the pin to reset the camera itself, to do the factory reset. And finally we've got the little plastic clip to help you get your trims off so you can hide the wire discreetly. So right guys, that's everything in the box, and I don't think there's much else I can tell you about it. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.